Lawn clippings or
No.
Lime.
lime?
What do you think you got, Sarah?
Lime.
What you got, Brianna?
Nothing good.
Okay, this one. Let me see the
things
box.
on
It is.
You're being too loud.
It's Tutti Frutti or Stinky Sock.
I did too. Okay, come on, girls. Serve her right.
I don't know.
I got the good one.
You don't know because there's more than just those, honey. So you can get the good
What's
one.
it supposed to taste like?
Tutti Frutti or Stinky Sock?
I don't know what
Does it taste
sticky socks
different? I don't know. Does it taste bad, Harley? No. Then it's probably fruit.
You probably got a good one. If you're not making a face.
Ready, okay?
What is it?
Skunk spray or licorice?
Both bad. That's both bad.
Come on.
Wait. Wait.
Don't smell it.
What did it smell?
All right.
If you eat it, will it hurt you?
It's not gonna hurt. It's jelly beans.
1,
Jelly beans.
2, 3. Eat it.
Put it in licorice.
Would you- Oh, they both got licorice.
I guess
There's
there's
more
more
than
than
There's more than that.
It's still gross, but.
Some of them are.
Yeah, licorice.
Get
is not-
Camden.
Licorice is better than
Kinsey and Gabby.
Okay, here you go.
Oh, so need that punishment. This one's
Don't give me a bad
rotten. No, this one's moldy cheese or caramel corn.
eat cheese.
Okay. You might get caramel.
Gabby.
Just come on, Gabby. Be a good sport. Go ahead, try it. Be a good sport. You can spit it out. Give it to me. Caramel corn or cheese?
Or moldy cheese.
Chew yours. What did you think?
Caramel.
Caramel? Yours is good.
I don't make it taste like moldy cheese.
How was it moldy cheese? Make a face. Okay. All right, let's go take a drink.
Just throw it in the...
I'll give you a drink. Hold on. Hold on.
I sound like the sponges just take out and drown with it with Patrick.
Here you go.
Oh, you got the pepper. No, I've tried that one time.
Oh my gosh.
You want to do it?
That's funny.
Here, let's do the blue. Okay, what are we going to do?
Blue is toothpaste or berry blue. This is not bad. Toothpaste. Is the toothpaste supposed to be a bad one? It's minty.
Yeah.
Mine's toothpaste too.
What's that one? That's why they're my favorite. What's the good one?